For the function f of x equals x squared plus 2x plus 4, find the average rate of change from x equals -2 to x equals 1. However, for our purposes, remember average rate of change is slope of related to a nonlinear function. What is the formula for average rate of change? We usually do b first, but it's okay. Good. We typically say that a is the smaller number and b is the larger number, so we'll say f of 1 minus f of -2 all over 1 minus -2. Please be careful of the double negative. How do we find f of 1? Yep, if you would, please plug in 1 into the function. Yeah. Minus f of -2, 4, all over 1 minus -2. What is 7 minus 4 all over 3? 1. So this means if we were to consider the graph of x squared plus 2x plus 4, actually I'm going to do this on the calculator, it'd be easier. You don't have to do this, just watch the pictures. So if I were to graph the original function, I'm just going to make the window size standard. Let me move this down a little bit so we can see the full thing. Oh, I need to do this, ma'am. All right, ma'am. So it's not going to be exact as far as where the points are at, but we picked 1 and -2. So here's 1. At 1 we got 7, 1, 2. Oh, the tick marks are missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have this point here. And then -2. 1, 2, 3. This point here. So if you found the slope between these 2 points, that would be 1. Now the scaling's off, that's why it doesn't look like 1. Scaling off meaning that the calculator is wider than it is taller, so it doesn't look like it's like a 45-degree angle, which it should be for a slope of 1. So that's average rate of change. F of b minus f of a all over b minus a. Again, if you had to interpret a slope, it's always y per x.